attorney state witness. U.S. prosecutors have charged Buju, whose real name is Markus, with conspiracy to possess 5 kilos or more of cocaine. Darren Henry reports.
His client may be facing the prospect of 20 years behind bars if convicted, but Buju Banton'S lawyers maintain that the artist will walk free at the end of the trial to start next Monday. Things have been looking tough for Buju since last week when news emerged that one of the 2 co-defendants in the case, Ian Thomas, accepted a plea bargain. In the last 48 hours, the second co-defendant, James Mack, also struck a deal. He will serve 25 years behind bars instead of life in prison, which he would have faced because he's a repeat offender. Both men are expected to testify against Buju, who is charged with conspiracy to possess with intent to distribute 5 kilos or more of cocaine. But in a telephone interview on TVJ's Smile Jamaica this morning, the artist's lawyer maintained that his client will be vindicated.
We won't find out what they're going to say until they testify. We don't get their statements before trial. And so, if they tell the truth, we believe they'll help us. Ian Thomas and Mac they had no defense. They were at the deal and they did the deal. Buju was home asleep when the deal took place.
But according to court documents, Buju, whose real name is Markus, and 2 others contacted a police informant about buying cocaine in Sarasota, Florida. And officials from the U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration reportedly have video evidence of Buju inspecting cocaine offered by the undercover officer. But the artist's attorney maintains that that evidence does not prove the prosecution's case.
They have many videotapes and audio tapes of Buju. Buju's a talker, everybody knows that. But when the actual deal took place, he was back at his house sleeping. And the other guys were doing a deal with this bad informant. There is a video of Buju putting a finger to his tongue, and there's no question about that, and it was a horrible mistake and decision that Buju made, but that's not what he's charged with. He's not charged with tasting cocaine. He's charged with being a drug trafficker, and that will be able to show that he is not. He is not a drug trafficker. He is not a drug dealer.
Meanwhile, the attorney said the trial is expected to take about a week. He also said Buju has lost some weight, but is doing much better now and is focused on his new album. Darren Henry, TVJ News.
Transport Minister